Need a reliable free way to stay connected? In today's video, we are reviewing the top 5 free video conferencing tools. Let's find the perfect tool for you. First on our list is the highly popular Zoom. The free plan allows unlimited one-on-one meetings and up to 40 minutes for group meetings with up to 100 participants. Zoom's dashboard is clean and simple with easy access to settings for scheduling, hosting, and joining meetings. You can also screen share and record, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Next is Google Meet, integrated with Google Workspace and perfect for those already using Google's ecosystem. With the free plan, you can host meetings for up to 60 minutes with 100 participants. The dashboard is minimal, letting you start or join a meeting straight from your browser or mobile app. No extra downloads required. Plus, it integrates with Google Calendar for easy scheduling. Third, we have Microsoft Teams. With the free version, you can host video calls with up to 100 participants for 60 minutes per meeting. The Teams dashboard combines messaging, file sharing, and video conferencing all in one place. It's ideal for business and teams that need a mix of collaboration and video conferencing tools. For those looking for an open source solution, Jitsi is a great option. It's 100% free with no time limits or participant caps, making it perfect for casual users and small teams. Jitsi's dashboard is simple. Just start or join meetings without the need to sign up or download anything. It's quick, lightweight, and highly customizable, especially if you have technical knowledge. Last but not least is Webex. Webex's free plan supports meetings of up to 100 participants with a 50-minute time limit. The dashboard is easy to navigate with options to schedule, start, or join meetings quickly. Webex is great for teams that need secure and reliable video conferencing with features like virtual backgrounds, screen sharing, and call recording. So which one should you use? Zoom is ideal for shorter, high-capacity meetings. Google Meet is perfect for Google users, and Microsoft Teams offers seamless chat integration. Jitsi is the go-to for no-limit, hassle-free meetings, and Webex is a solid option for secure and feature-rich calls. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.